Khadija, which alphabet is this?
Shinun Fatha Sha.
Alfun Fatha A.
Alfun Fatha Ha.
Bam Fatha Ba.
Bang Fatha Ba.
Tam Fatha Ta.
Tam Fatha Ta.
Sam Fatha Sa.
Sam Fatha Sa.
Jim Fatha Ja.
Jim Fatha Ja.
Ha Fatha Ha.
Hem Fatha He.
Kham Fatha Kha.
Om Fatha Ha.
Dal Fatha Da.
Dal Fatha Da.
Zal Fatha Za.
Sal Fatha Sa.
Ra Fatha Ra.
Wa Fatha Ra.
Zay Fatha Za.
Zay Fatha Sa.
Sin Fatha Sa.
Sin Fatha Sa.
Shin Fatha Sha.
Shin Fatha Sha.
Sad Fatha Sa.
Sad Fatha Sa.
Dad Fatha Da.
Dad Fatha Da.
Ta Fatha Ta.
Ta Fatha Da.
Za Fatha Za.
Sa Fatha Za.
Ain Fatha A.
Ain Fatha Ha.
Ghain Fatha Gha.
Kain Fatha Ga.
Fam Fatha Fa.
Fa Fatha Fa.
Qaf Fatha Qa.
Qaf Fatha Qa.
Kam Fatha Ka.
Kam Fatha Ka.
Lam Fatha La.
Lam Fatha La.
Mim Fatha Ma.
Mim Fatha Ma.
Nun Fatha Na.
Nun Fatha Na.
Waw Fatha Wa.
Wa Fatha Wa.
Ham Fatha Ha.
Am Fatha Ha.
Ya Fatha Ya.
Ya Fatha Ya.
Now, Khadija, which alphabet is this?
Shinun Fatha Sha.
Now, Amina, which alphabet is this?
Bam Fatha Ba.
Now, Khadija, which alphabet is this?
Zon Fatha Za.
Now, Khadija again, which alphabet is this?
Nun Fatha Na.
Now, Amina, which alphabet is this?
Sam Fatha Za.
Now, congrats. Inshallah, our today's lesson, we are stopping here. Please join us with your children in our next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.